Kelly, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be memory planning in my Pressions weekly. I do have this kit from Spotted Gum. You guys know that I've been using these most every week. They're just really good for me as far as I'm able to use almost everything on the sheet. It's just so functional for my planning, and yeah, I really love this. I chose this because it has the cacti in the background with what looks like maybe a desert rose, maybe a succulent here or there. I just really love this. I chose to use it with gold. You do get to pick the color foil that you want on each one of these. I think they're like $3 or $4 a piece, something like that, but they're good. You know, this helps me plan out my entire week. So I really do love that. I think you should check out her shop. I just love her shop, and she does the best foiling. It's absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you can see how all of this here is just very, very sparkly. Let me see if I can catch the light. There we go. It's so sparkly, and it's just hard for me to catch the light is all. But it's just got this beautiful confetti slash paint splatter all over it. And so I thought that I would use it for planning in my last week. Let's see here. I do have my little ribbon there and my little washi card from the Giving Girl. You guys know I love me a good dragonfly. So there we go. Yeah, I like to hold my space there like that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. Let me go ahead and start putting some of these main items down. In the past weeks, you know, guys, that I've been using some additional floral in the background. With this, or with a lot of the spreads anyway, I did in that one there, as you can see in this. It's really pretty, but I did not have anything that would really work with this. So I'm going to go ahead and get started by putting down the bottom washi. I hope you guys are having a great Monday. I am definitely trying to have a good Monday myself. You know, Mondays are Mondays. It has already required a trip to Walmart. Uh-oh, wait a minute. It's already required a trip to Walmart, and let me try again here. Trip to Walmart, and then I found at Walmart, guys, I don't know if you have seen these, but like, I have this guilty indulgence, and it's called a chocolate croissant. Ooh, over in the bread area. Let me grab it. I'm going to show it to you. Okay, this one was already, you know, like marked for best sale. It says product of France, and it says chocolate croissants. They are individually wrapped. There are 6 in here. I ate one earlier today with a cup of coffee, and I just like threw it in the microwave for a couple of seconds, just enough to, you know, warm up the bread part of it. They are delicious. I think they're like $3 or $4, something like that. But I mean, I'm a chocolate croissant crazy person. So I'm just gonna say that if you like croissants, chocolate croissants, they had regular croissants. They were mini croissants. They had those. And then they had those, and I was just like, oh my gosh, those are my faves. So I decided to pick them up, and I'm glad I did. They probably won't last very long. I do need to cut back on what I'm, you know, in all seriousness, so I really do need to cut back. But gosh darn, I saw those and I was like, oh, nope, not today. Not today, Kelly, not today. Okay, let's go in with the, I'm going to call them headers, but the, you know, the day boxes. And then of course this one too that says this week. Such pretty watercoloring. I love these things so much. Okay, so yeah, I went to Walmart. I did buy a few things that I needed to get done there. And then I went to, I had to go run to the post office and take care of something. Checked my mail. I'm very irritated by the fact that our landlord or my landlord has not, she's my friend. Let me just say that. She's my friend. I think of her as a friend. She is as sweet can be. Met her when I moved here. And so anyway, she's been trying to get somebody that will cut our grass. I mean, the property that I live on here is, it's a really large rental area. And so all of the places around here she rents them out. And so I need my grass cut. It's like knee high. It's driving me crazy. And she's been working trying to find somebody to cut the grass. If I knew anybody that could, I'd already had them down here at least cutting mine, because it is really hard for Izzy to go outside because she's kind of low to the ground, you know. And with her being low to the ground, it just basically means, you know, hey, Mom, I'm dragging bottom here, and I don't want to go. She don't want to go out in there, and I don't blame her. And I'll be honest, you know, there's a couple of ponds and stuff nearby. I do have the snake situation that, you know, crosses my mind. So, you know, I don't know if it's going to get cut soon, but I had to drag in all my groceries while dealing with all that. I was not a happy camper. But, you know, hey, eventually it'll get cut and then I'll be thankful, you know. But I just, I guess I probably should zoom in. Maybe I'll try to remind myself to zoom in once I get to going on each day, because this is just basic what I'm doing here. Just really basic. Just making sure each day has a little bit of a checklist. Guys, you'd be surprised how much more organized I feel right now. There have been some changes in my life, and I actually, for the last couple of days, have legit been some of the most peaceful days I've had in like a year, I would say. Yeah, I know. You're like, what in the world could you really have going on that big? But I mean, you know, emotional stress is sometimes much harder on you than, you know, just work stress. And I've been having a lot of emotional stress. I've been having a lot of frustrations, a lot of aggravations, situations where I feel like I have to defend myself, you know, just things like that really I should not have to ever do. But I feel like I've been having to defend myself in a way. And, you know, I just don't want it to, I don't want life to be like that. So I've just decided to, let's see, I'm going to go in with the next week down below here. And one of these little, actually, let me do this one first. Let me do the checklist first. And then I'll do next week on top of it. And that'll give me a little area. And let it overlap just a touch. Won't hurt my feelings. And next week. Yeah, I mean, so with all that going on, I've just been like, you know what? Screw it. I don't want to do anything. Until yesterday. And then I kind of came out of my funk. Had something really good happen to me. Spoke with somebody that I think is just absolutely adorable. Here's my drink again. Today, I've got Diet Coke in there today. But I need to be drinking more water. Okay, let's see. This is my basic layout. So, basically all I've talked about now is that I love this stuff from these sheets from Spotted Gum, these kits. I hate tall grass, and I'm tired of being agitated. Okay, well, let's move into planning. Let me pull you in just a bit. Okay, first of all, I want to go ahead and use something to mark a small division there. So I think I'm just going to go in with this one. It looks like Leaves from Jackson Pepper. It's just a foil divider. It's her 2.0, I believe, is what it says. So I'm just going to go in with that right here. Lost my place. Okay, just like that. Okay, I'm going to use one of these boxes to put in for a filming video. And this is from Spotted Gum as well. It's just a really cute film video sticker. This one's in the gold, obviously. I do have them in every color, and they're just so fun. Okay. All right, so far, that's all I'm gonna do for Monday, and I'll go back and add a few things in that. Yeah, so let's move on to Tuesday. I'm gonna be doing some sort of planning most likely, and I have these little dividers are from Flourish. It's a divider Flourish from Crafts by Towie, and then she had this involved in the little sampler, and it is so stinking cute, and I thought I would use it. So let's go ahead and go in with this right here. I'm just gonna put it down here underneath Tuesday, just like that. Okay, let's just go in and use this right here where it says planning sesh. And I'm just gonna continue doing some of my planning. Let me put this off to the side just a bit. And then I'm gonna use this little laptop that was on the sampler. It's so stinking cute. And I'm just gonna put it right there. Not bad, huh? I don't think so. I don't think that's bad at all. Okay, this was also a little freebie from Crafts by Towie for my latest order, and it's just a girl sitting at her desk. I think this is adorable. It's a little too big for my vertical planner. And I thought, you know what, I could put that here, and then that way I could just mark that pretty much I'm at the computer all day, because I'm either going to be working on editing or I'm going to be watching Netflix or watching YouTube. So let's just put this right here at this bottom, right there. Okay. I think I want to just use this little heart that came in the kit beside that, just to kind of pull in some something of some sort. But yeah, I mean, this is really a simple planner for me. I mean, it just really doesn't, you know, it doesn't warrant a whole lot of stuff. Okay, let's go ahead. I have the Scribble Prints Co. on clear sticker, the little date dots. Let's go ahead and put those on before I forget. I'm gonna have to use a combination of multiple sheets in order to do it, because I'm running out quickly. I need to go ahead and order some more. I can't remember if I ordered any already, so I need to check my Happy Mail orders before I do place an order. But I also do need some weekend banners. And I really do like Scribble Prints Co. I like her weekend banners on clear. So I'd really like to, you know, if possible, I would like to stick with hers. So we're just gonna have to see what happens. Okay, here's 25. Am I doing this right? 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, yes. Guys, I tell you what, it's something. Okay, very good. Really, really cute. I need to mark an appointment for Thursday, and also Izzy's bath time. So I think what I'd like to do, I do have this little sticker right here. It's just a virtual appointment with my doctor. So let me go ahead and put this down. Let's see, how high do I want it? I'm just gonna put it right there. Get this straight. Okay, I'm gonna use the appointment, the word that came with it. Put it down a little lower, and then I want to use this right here, which is just a little gold paper clip with a flower on it. I just want to kind of squeeze this in like that right there. Really cute. Okay, now then, the next thing that I want to mark is that I did give Izzy a bath. I want to use one of these from Crafts by Towie. It's really, really cute. I want to use that with one of my little Izzy faces for her bath time. Let's go in with, I think I want to kind of change the way that it's oriented because of the way that I've done that, but I'm not sure. Oh, it's okay. I'll just do it like this. I'm going to turn it just a little bit. Let's see, just like that. And I'm gonna put one of her little stickies beside it because it was bath time for Izzy. Really cute. Really, really, really cute. I love that. Friday, it was a very much stay in movie night kind of thing for me. I do believe I've got in this, yeah, I want to use this little chair with a bow and the popcorn. I want to use that. I'm getting a lot of use of my Crafts by Tally things. This is a little Craft by Tally doily dot. I think these are so stinking cute. So let's go ahead and layer this up. I'm just going to kind of put it off to the side right here. And then I'm going to put the little chair here in front of it, kind of layered over it just a touch. So I had movie night with myself. Mostly it was Netflix, but I did watch an actual movie on TV. So yeah, there's that. Okay, Saturday, I really don't know how to mark what I mean, it was kind of like a self-care day. I didn't really do a whole lot. I mean, I guess I can just go in with this. I don't have anything else to use it for, so I guess I'll just go in with this, and I'll leave like maybe a divider in between. And let's do self-care. I wonder, do I have, I don't know if I have anything that I can use for self-care really that would, you know, kind of look good with this layout, but let's just leave it like that right there. And then I want to use a I do have, you know, the dividers that I've been getting a lot of use out of. So let's grab one of these. Which one would I like to use? Let's go in with this. Let's just go ahead and finish this side. Let's go in with this one because it's very different from the other. There we go. Just like that. It's so sparkly and fun, isn't it? Okie dokie. All right, then for Sunday, the only thing that I really want to mark is that I did do some planning. And you know what I want to do? Since I've got some scissors here, I'm going to try to Franken-plan something here. Let's just go ahead and go in with this. Just like that. And then I'm going to try to make it into a flag. Does that make sense, guys? Making it into a flag? Because I just think it would be really cute to use that like that. And I mean, you know, just kind of use some of the deco that is part of the kit itself. Okay, let's see here. I'm just gonna kind of put this right here. Let's see, let's put it off to the side just a little bit. Because this is the main thing that I usually do. If I'm gonna get up, move around on Sundays, it's usually for this right here. And I'm gonna use this from my newest addiction. It just says plan next week and go full on clear. I just love, love, love my newest addiction. She doesn't live very far from me at all, and I just adore her. Okay, plan next week. Oh my goodness, it's so, so cute. So I'm not really sure what else I need to, I mean, I'll have to go into my other planner and kind of look around and see what I need to just write in. But I believe this is going to be it for my print Pressions, guys. It is so pretty. Let me back out. Okay, there we go. Isn't it pretty? I mean, it's so shiny and sparkly. I love, 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 love these. Love these. So yeah, guys, that's going to be it for this plan with me that I had to go back and plan for you guys on camera because I got behind. I kind of fell out of my own game, you know? So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me just kind of try to learn to layer a little bit. I'm trying, and I'm trying to use the things that I've purchased, you know, to actually, instead of hoarding them, to get use out of them. But anyway, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new. I would love to have you become part of my YouTube family. So that's going to be it, guys. Have a fabulous week, and I will talk to you later. Bye.